Are you looking for the best laptops for programming? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best laptops for programming on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Microsoft Surface Book 3. Microsoft Surface Book 3 comes in 2 sizes, but we went with the larger 15-inch model. The device is technically detachable, but the keyboard's unique hinge acts as a 2-in-1, supporting laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes. Microsoft's Surface Pen and Surface Dial peripherals are also supported by the Surface Book 3. The Surface Book 3 is powered by an Intel 10th generation Core i7-1065G7 processor and a discrete NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660Ti Max-Q GPU, 6GB. That means the device isn't just good for programming, but it should also play the latest games at full HD resolution and high detail settings. There's plenty of dedicated video memory to handle large textures. We're limited to 16GB of system memory and a 256GB SSD at $2,300 for this configuration and price. For those who require more storage, the Surface Book 3 can be configured with a 512GB, 1TB, or 2TB SSD. This laptop is powered by a battery that promises up to 17.5 hours of video playback. Number 2. Dell XPS 15. Many programmers are enamored with Dell's XPS Ultrabooks. They're small and light, but they're powerful enough to get the job done. On the Developer Edition models, they are even pre-installed with Ubuntu. The XPS 15 falls short of our desire for a discrete graphics chip, but it compensates with the latest Intel processors, plenty of fast storage, and a QHD Plus screen with one of the thinnest laptop bezels available. If you require some graphics power, consider upgrading to the XPS 15, which includes integrated Intel UHD graphics, though NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1654GB GDDR5 can be configured for $250. This model features Intel's 9th Gen Core i5-9300H processor and integrated graphics, which power a 15.6-inch touch-capable screen with a resolution of 3200 by 1800. The processor is supported by up to 32GB of LPDDR3 system memory clocked at 2666 MHz and up to 512GB of storage on a fast SSD. All of this is crammed into a slim design, with the Dell XPS 15 measuring only 0.66 inches thick at its thickest point and weighing only 4 pounds. Number 3. Razer Blade Studio Edition. The Razer Blade Studio Edition is designed for professionals and is sleek, powerful, and professional in appearance. There isn't as much visual bling as seen on other gaming laptops, and it's also thin, measuring just 0.70 inches thick and starting at 4.88 pounds. Razer offers 4 different screen sizes and types with this laptop: 13.3 inches with a 4K resolution and touch, 15.6 inches with a 4K OLED screen, no touch, and 15.6 inches with a 4K OLED screen with touch, and 17.3 inches at 4K with touch. The hardware is dependent on these 4 configurations under the hood. Processors range from 9th to 10th generation Intel Core i7 chips, and discrete graphics cards range from the GTX 1650 Ti Max-Q to the RTX 2080 Super Max-Q. NVIDIA's Quadro RTX 5000 Studio Edition is also available in the 15.3-inch 4K OLED with touch configuration. The Razer Blade Studio Edition also comes with up to 32GB of RAM, up to 1TB of storage, Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and a built-in IR HD webcam that supports Windows Hello. Number 4. Google Pixelbook. Google's Pixelbook is calling for those who prefer a Linux-based option with easy third-party software integration, built-in security and virus protection, and automatic updates. By running Chrome OS and Android apps alongside sandboxed Linux desktop programs, users can have their cake and eat it too. Google's Pixelbook has an older 7th Gen i5 or i7 processor, a 12.3-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1600, 8GB or 16GB of RAM, and a 10-hour battery that provides 2 hours of runtime after only 15 minutes of charging. The default storage capacity is 128 GB, but you can increase this to 256 GB or 512 GB if necessary. The Google Pixelbook can be used in 4 modes: tent, tablet, entertainment, and laptop. The Pixelbook pen provides natural drawing, note-taking, and other functions for those interested in drawing or other apps that require a stylus. The Gorilla Glass and aluminum exterior help to reduce overall weight and keep the laptop cool. Number 5. Apple MacBook Pro 16. You can't go wrong with the MacBook Pro and all the power packed into the 16-inch model for Apple fans. The 13-inch MacBook Pro starts at $1,299, but we chose the larger 16-inch unit with the $2,399 set configuration for this review. You get the silver or space gray model with Intel's 6-core 9th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and AMD's Radeon Pro 5300M discrete GPU for that price, 4 GB. If that isn't enough graphics power, the Radeon Pro 5600M GPU can be installed. The base model also includes 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage on a fast SSD. For Thunderbolt 3 ports, charging, DisplayPort, USB 3.2 Gen 2, a 720p FaceTime HD camera, a backlit keyboard, Bluetooth 4.2, and wireless AC connectivity are also notable. The audio system includes 2 stereo speakers with a high dynamic range, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a 3-mic array, and Dolby Atmos playback support. The Apple MacBook Pro battery has a standby time of up to 30 days, 10 hours of movie playback.